Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo, where learning English is simple, clear, and friendly. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone. It feels great to be here with you again.
How are you today, Sarah?
I'm doing very well, thank you. And you?
I am a little hungry.
Hungry already?
Yes, I am thinking about food, a nice meal, maybe some pasta, maybe a sandwich.
Now I'm getting hungry too.
Yeah. Good, because today's episode is about food and restaurants.
Yes. Today we will talk about how to speak English in a restaurant.
This is a very useful topic for English learners.
Absolutely. We all go to restaurants, and ordering food in English sometimes feels a little scary.
But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you will feel confident.
Yes, confident, calm, and ready to order your favorite food in English.
Before we begin,
Yes, don't forget.
please subscribe to our channel, Fun English Duo.
And like this video if you love food or if you are hungry like Thomas.
That is right. And share with friends who are learning English.
It really helps us a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's imagine we go to a restaurant. We're at the door. What do we do first?
We walk in and we see a host or a waiter.
We smile and say, hello.
Simple, friendly, perfect.
And then we need a table.
So we say, a table for two, please.
Or a table for three, please.
If you're eating alone, you say, a table for one, please.
Very good. Very easy. And the host will say, this way, please. Or follow me, please.
We follow, we sit down.
Now we need the menu.
Yes, usually the waiter brings it. But if not, we ask, can I have the menu, please?
Always say please. Very polite.
Yes, please is magic.
We open the menu and we see many words.
Sometimes the menu can be confusing.
There are starters, small dishes like soup or salad.
Then main course, the big meal, like rice, pasta, fish, chicken,
And dessert, cake, ice cream, sweet things.
and drinks, water, tea, coffee, soda, juice.
So many choices. That makes me excited.
Now the waiter comes and says, are you ready to order?
If we are ready, we say, yes, I am, or yes, I'm ready.
If we need more time, we say, just a minute, please.
But let's say we are ready.
How do we order? Do we say, I want a pizza?
We can, but better to say, I would like.
Yes, it is more polite.
I would like the vegetable soup, please.
I'll have the chicken pasta, please.
Very natural, very polite.
Try to repeat at home. It helps.
And then the waiter asks, anything to drink?
We say, I would like water, please.
Or, I'll have orange juice.
Very good. Simple.
The waiter leaves. We wait.
We talk. We look around.
Then the food comes.
The waiter says, enjoy your meal.
And we say, thank you.
During the meal, the waiter may ask, is everything okay?
If yes, say, yes, everything is great. Or, yes, it's delicious.
Delicious means very, very good.
If we need something, we say, excuse me,
And then,
can I have more water, please?
can I have another spoon, please?
Very useful.
Now, dessert time.
My favorite time.
The waiter may ask, would you like dessert?
And we say, yes, please.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect choice. Always.
Meal is finished. Time to pay.
We say, can I have the bill, please?
Or, the check, please.
Both are correct.
The waiter brings the bill, we pay,
We say, thank you, goodbye,
and we leave happy.
and full. Very full. Gentle smile. Let's do a full restaurant role play, like the example you gave.
Yes, slow and clear. You be the waiter.
Okay, let's begin. Hello, welcome.
Hello. A table for two, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. May I see the menu, please?
Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like tomato soup to start.
Okay. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Very good. Anything to drink?
Yes. I would like water, please.
Perfect. I will bring your food soon.
Thank you.
Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
Would you like dessert?
Yes. I would like the fruit salad, please.
Sure. One fruit salad.
Excuse me? Can I have more water, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am. It was wonderful.
Can I bring you the bill?
Yes, please. Can I have the bill?
Here it is.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Wow, that felt very real.
Yes, and very simple. The phrases are short, clear, easy to remember.
And polite. Politeness is key.
Always please and thank you.
And a smile.
A smile works in every language. So, everyone watching, you can practice this at home.
Yes, practice with a friend or practice alone. It really helps.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Anytime you eat outside, try to use one English phrase.
Start small, grow slowly.
So, Sarah, what is your favorite food at a restaurant?
I love pasta. Simple pasta with tomato sauce.
Classic, nice choice.
What about you, Thomas?
I love rice bowls. Rice, vegetables, chicken, simple and delicious.
Good choice.
Okay, friends, this was a very helpful lesson.
Yes, thank you for spending time with us.
We hope this episode helps you feel confident in restaurants.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And in the comments, tell us, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
We would love to read your answers. Thank you again.
Keep practicing,
Keep smiling.
and see you next time.